election is going to have an impact on the housing market? It's Friday, August 30th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Usually the election only has a small and temporary effect. Sales usually slow down briefly between October and November, but rebound fast. Prices tend to stay on their current trajectory for our market, and mortgage rates often trend down in the months leading up to the election. Whispers do indicate that there will be a rate cut coming soon. Maryland housing inventory has 1,122 homes coming soon. 1,582 homes hit the market. 1,048 are coming soon, dropping this week once again. 1,332 homes went under contract in 15 days. 1,125 homes sold since last week at 100% list-to-sold ratio and selling in 11 days. Rentals fell off to 2,451, keeping at a median $2,600 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, August 30th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.